Morning guys, welcome back to the vlog. As you can probably see, last night was quite crazy. We walked around all the temples, queued for ages, and eventually got to the temple. We all threw some money in and then walked around. I don't know what else we did. We lit some incense, we got some food, we got some drinks. Had a really good night in Kyoto for New Year. So it's pretty traditional in Japan to stay out for the first sunrise. So that's what we did. Last night was pretty late, a lot of festivities flowing, and we got home at, I think it was about 8 AM. We eventually all rocked home. Ali, who you will have seen in the vlog last night, had a breakfast token, so he gave me his breakfast token. But I had breakfast this morning at like 8:30. So Chad and I are now heading out together. We're going for a trek. And so that's going to take probably like an hour and a half, 2 hours. So let's get out for a hillside trek around Kyoto. So I'm just here at Kurama and doing the Kurama Kibune trek through the foothills of Kyoto. Absolutely stunning temple area here, just looking through. And as far in the distance there, got this amazing backdrop to Chad, who you've seen from last night on the crazy videos of Kyoto. So we started this trek at the Kurama side, and we've just been coming up through the trail, and it leads up to this beautiful temple area. Your shoes off. So we did this last night. You pay for a little scroll, and you unwrap the scroll, and it gives you your fortune for the year. I unfortunately had bad luck. I was told that I have a lot of enemies, and I should be careful. So that was kind of my reading last night. Hopefully I can make some friends and not enemies. There's about another kilometer to go on the trail, and we should make it to Kibune for sunset. Traditional style Japanese garden, the graded stone, and nice little bonsai trees down there. It's very beautiful. Look at these little whippets. Whoa, tires are getting crazy. Look at this little guy, he's so cold. He wants some fire. Look at him shaking. Got his little pink rain jacket on. Beautiful trek. It got a bit darker there towards the end, so it's probably best if you set off a bit earlier. There wasn't so many people, which was nice. Beautiful outlooks, beautiful stop-off points, and a really nice temple. And I don't know where that leads to. We'll head up and we'll check it out. Oh, we've got another fire. Ringing the bell and praying. Wishing for good luck, good fortune for the year. So we just came off a 5-minute bus from Kibune, and quick bus journey to the train station. Now we're making our way back to Kyoto subway. Check out this escalator. It goes flat. Got a little wave there from the local Japanese girls. It's like a reflection on that. Welcome to the premium card. Look at that door. Golden door. Golden door. Hey guys, welcome back. I've been off for a few days. I haven't been vlogging for a few days. I've been out and about Kyoto. I met Al, Chad, Dave. Dave left the morning after. Chad left after that. And I've just left. Al's still at the Capsule Hotel. So I've just left him there. He's relaxing. So I've done the trek with Chad, as you will have seen on the vlog. And then I've been hanging out with Al for the last few days. We've just been heading out and just walking through the temples and doing some photography during the day. So that's been great. I'm just absolutely enjoying hanging out. He's chilling out for the next few days. I might catch up with him again in Tokyo when he's flying out of Tokyo back to the UK. So I might see him, I might bump into him again. I am just going to the Shinjuku station now. Got to go to Mount Fuji, so that's where we're going. We're heading to Mount Fuji from Kyoto. Was planning to go to Hiroshima, but then Al started showing me these really beautiful photos of Mount Fuji. It looks stunning. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to sort of replicate what he did. Vlog's back on. To Mount Fuji. Finally, it took about 4 hours, 5 hours, but it was worth the journey, worth every second of the journey, because I've stumbled across this beautiful, beautiful hostel. It is so traditional Japanese, right beside Mount Fuji. I was supposed to stay in a 9-bed dorm. However, for the first night, I've been given the private room. Just stunning. So I'll show you around. Traditional small mattress to the floor. Nice little tiny table. I love these thin paper Japanese walls. I don't know what they're called, but I'll have to find out the name. And then you come out to like this sort of landing area. And you've got this cute little sort of tiny door you have to duck to get under. And then you've got this exposed area down here, which I think is the kitchen. So you've got all these like beautiful like cutlery sets and things and tile intricately laid out and really attentive to detail. Yesterday, I travelled from Kyoto to Mount Fuji. So I was on my way, I booked Hiroshima, and last minute I decided to change my mind and detour to Mount Fuji. Boom, there we go. What a view, just got some clouds covering it now. Absolutely stunning.
No rainy, no windy, no sun. Just music and just the one. I'm fine like that, fine. I'll never be losing, I'm on every time. No, you don't lose me no better like that.
Like, it's absolutely breathtaking. You see the pictures of it and you see like videos and things of it online, but when you're here, it's just absolutely something else. Earlier on, we stopped into a small little cafe as we were coming through the town to get up to the viewpoint in the pagoda. It's a cafe, you go in, it's just an older Japanese lady, and it's literally just her house. She's turned it into a small cafe and everything's perfect in there. Like, the attention to detail is phenomenal, and she's the only one that works there. It's her small business, it's her pride and joy, it's her livelihood, it's her life, and you see that quite a lot in all over Japan. Like, I went into small bars, small eateries, small cafes, and you can really see how the Japanese live their lives in terms of the attention to the detail that they put in. It's really great because you get great service, great product, and a really nice experience. And that's kind of how I would summarize it. My Japan trip, it's just great experiences everywhere you go. It's the welcoming, the warming, and the service, and it's just exceptional. So honestly, if you come to Japan, you'll not be disappointed no matter where you go.
For a better group of guys than the years.